In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a photo album using Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a complete beginner, this guide will walk you through the quick and easy process of designing a stunning photo album that captures all your cherished memories. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Canva homepage. If you're not already familiar with Canva, it's an incredibly versatile graphic design tool that lets you create beautiful designs with ease. You can access the homepage by logging into your Canva account. If you don't have one, signing up is straightforward and free, so no worries there. Once you're on the Canva homepage, you'll notice a search bar conveniently placed right in the middle of the screen. This is where the magic begins. Go ahead and click on that search bar. In the search field, you're going to type in photo album to find the perfect template for your needs. Canva offers a variety of styles to choose from, so take a moment to browse through the options. You'll find everything from modern to vintage designs, so there's definitely something that will match your aesthetic or the theme you're aiming for. When you find a style that catches your eye, simply click on it to open the template. After you've selected a template, this is where you get to be creative and make it truly your own. You can start by inserting your favorite pictures, and Canva makes this incredibly easy. You can either upload photos directly from your device or choose from Canva's library of free and premium images if you're looking to add some decorative elements. Just drag and drop your images into the placeholders, and the template will automatically resize them to fit perfectly. While you're working on your album, remember that Canva allows for a lot of customization. You can play around with the layout, change the colors, or add some text to give each page a personal touch. It's all about making sure that your photo album reflects your personal style and the memories you're preserving. And just like that, you're done. You've created a stylish, personalized photo album that you can cherish forever. Once you're satisfied with your design, Canva also offers several options for you to save or share your work. You can download it as a PDF, a series of images, or even have it printed and shipped directly to you. We hope you found this guide helpful and that it inspires you to create more using Canva. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more great design tutorials. Happy designing!